Peace, peace, peace. Hello, family. Hello, it's Empress Crissy. Welcome to this week's mini challenge. Is low vibe thought detox. So you're going to be aware of your negative thoughts that you are telling yourself, either to yourself out loud or even to other people, about yourself and about your finance, about money. You're going to catch those thoughts or what you were saying, and you're going to clear it, cancel it, and you're going to replace it with something that serves you. If you have a thought that, damn, I can't afford that, you're going to backspace, cancel that, and you can say, everything is here for me, ready for me. Everything always work out for me, financially, personally, spiritually, emotionally. All things always work out for me. Things work out for me. That's going to override. We call that alchemy. When you are taking and you're transmuting energy. They're going to come up, sure. But this challenge, we're learning how to transmute our negative thoughts into a better serving thought that serve us. If you have a negative thought about yourself personally, damn, my nose big, ooh, whatever. You can replace that with, I chose this beautiful, loving body. It's mine. It's my vessel to move around in the physical 3D reality. If I chose it, for me, that means it's beautiful. It's my nose. Even if at the time you don't really believe that, but you're just going to keep transmuting those negative thoughts. And the more you do it, the better it's going to serve you. So join us in this weekend's, this Friday's mini challenge, low vibe thoughts. Comment in the bottom, no more low vibe thoughts. And I will see you in the comments. For now, I'm out with love. Empress. Comment, share, and subscribe.